How to add another account in WhatsApp on iPhone 16. Let's get started. iPhones don't officially support dual WhatsApp accounts in a single app, but there are a couple of workarounds that can help you run two separate accounts. The first method is the official way to add another account, and it's super simple. You can use the WhatsApp Business app alongside your regular WhatsApp Messenger app. So, head over to the App Store and download the WhatsApp Business app. After installing it, open the app and sign up with a different phone number than the one you already use with WhatsApp. That's it. You'll now have two separate WhatsApp apps on your phone, one for personal chats and one for business. You can easily switch between the apps and keep your conversations separate. It's a really neat and secure way to handle multiple accounts. The second method is a bit of a hack, but it works if you have a dual SIM iPhone. If you have two phone numbers, you can use WhatsApp Web to manage a second account on your iPhone. First, register your first phone number on the regular WhatsApp app. Then, on a second phone, set up WhatsApp with your second number. Now, on your iPhone, open Safari and go to web.whatsapp.com. Use the second phone to scan the QR code that shows up on the browser, and boom, you've got your second WhatsApp account running through WhatsApp Web on your iPhone. This method is a bit more of a workaround, but it's a great option if you don't want to use a second app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.